Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque 2.0 Autobiography. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Corinthian bronze. Starting our journey from the front, where you will find your pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharp view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the side of this vehicle, you're going to find further stylish features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 21-inch gloss dark grey alloys with a diamond toned contrast and perfectly contrasting red brake calipers. To the rear, you're going to find your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. As you look to the left, you're going to find easy to access controls for electronically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, which are also cloud and are fully heated. To the cockpit, you will see your 14-way driver memory electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which is fully heated and has many features at its controls. Advancing over now at your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To finalise our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof and your clear sight interior rear view mirror. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.